All right, he just 31.
While on patrol, officers spot a vehicle running a red light and immediately initiate a traffic stop. The driver refuses to comply and accelerates away. Radio traffic spikes as nearby units join in. Within seconds, a routine stop turns into an active pursuit. The vehicle veers off the road, kicking up dirt. Doors swing open, two suspects jump out and sprint into the woods. Right side, 3 o'clock, calls Echo. A helicopter circles above, spotlight cutting through the darkness as units close in from all directions. Chaos erupts at the crash scene. One vehicle is crushed at the front, debris scattered across the roadway. Shouts fill the air along with a child crying. Officers secure the scene while others continue pushing into the woods, pursuit still active.
6-year-old child, the plate's over. Y'all get off the roof, I gotta go up here and check the series.
I got eyes on all three now, so
Give me 1 second, okay?
Yeah, we're a little 75 or 85. Yeah.
It's gonna be,
You know, here, release, you went down to see where you're at, turn back around.
The scene is stabilized, with victims reported to have only minor injuries. Both suspects are located and taken into custody after hiding in the wooded area. They now face multiple charges, including fleeing law enforcement, causing a crash, and reckless driving. On the 11th of July 2018, in Constantine, police responded to a homicide after a victim was found shot multiple times. 2 suspects fled the scene in a Ford Expedition. Patrol units quickly located the vehicle and initiated a multi-lane pursuit.
Shots fired, shots fired! What's the location? Get down, Mojave, passing Bonanza.
2-4, copy. 751, copy.
Give me the air unit. Shots fired, shots fired! Give me the air unit. Still southbound Mojave, approaching Charleston.
Southbound Mojave, approaching Charleston. Shots still being fired.
The vehicle speeds through the roadway as gunfire suddenly erupts. The suspects fire shots from inside the moving vehicle. Shots fired echoes over the radio. Rounds strike patrol units as officers continue closing the distance under active gunfire. pursuit ends in a violent shootout. One suspect is shot and killed at the scene, while the second is injured and taken into custody. The surviving suspect now faces serious charges, including murder and assault on law enforcement.
All right, just 31, possible 31A, start fire.
An Ohio State trooper spots a blue Hyundai and initiates a traffic stop. Instead of complying, the driver takes off, running a red light and pushing through intersections. Within seconds, the situation escalates into an active pursuit.
1188 chopper, signal 40, taking off. We're Union and East 130th, eastbound on Union. Blue Hyundai.
A helicopter joins overhead, tracking every move. The suspect makes sharp turns, cuts across intersections, and weaves through traffic. Ground units receive constant updates, closing in as the vehicle moves through parking lots and residential areas.
To like a parking lot area is westbound.
Tahoe's went through the intersection on your right, that parking lot, on your right, there.
All right, he stopped right now. Like a church bus in the area. He's back in the car. He's going to be taking off again. He's back eastbound. All right, just 31, possible 31A, start fire. Signal 34 at the intersection of 123rd and Ferris.
Ferris is right here. There he is.
31, possible 31A,
fuck.
start fire.
The Hyundai loses control while attempting a turn and crashes hard at the intersection, coming to a stop. Units rush in, weapons drawn, ordering the suspect to stay still. The driver is taken into custody at the scene. Officers are checked for injuries and reported with only minor conditions as the situation is secured. On the 9th of June 2025, officers spot a pickup truck speeding on Highway 70. When they attempt a traffic stop, the driver, later identified as Yam B. Pereira Nunez, refuses to comply and accelerates away, triggering a high-speed pursuit. The truck pushes forward at high speed as units close in behind. The suspect suddenly crosses into oncoming lanes, forcing other drivers to swerve. The situation escalates rapidly as the gap tightens second by second.
Don't do that again. Speed 75 miles an hour. 10-4. Zach, is that your tire?
Officers execute a precise pit maneuver, sending the truck off the roadway and bringing it to a stop. Nunez is taken into custody at the scene. He is confirmed to be driving a stolen vehicle with an expired license and now faces multiple serious charges.
Moving rapidly. He's winding off the road right. Going start at 52. He's way off the road.
On the 25th of March 2025, license plate readers in Nevada flagged a large truck linked to two wanted suspects. As officers approached at a truck stop, the vehicle suddenly accelerated and fled, merging onto the highway at high speed. The truck speeds southbound on I-11. Units lock in behind it. One of the rear tires begins to fail, the vehicle shaking violently. Yet it keeps accelerating, refusing to slow down.
All right, I got 110 in front of me. Want to know if we're okay to pursue this. I got 110 in front of me.
And I'm going to take up secondary. We're going, looks like he's about to go towards the El Dorado Pass, possibly going to...
We're southbound I-11. I'll take over comms. I'm number 4.
Hey, he's going to lose one of his left rear tires. If we're okay with it, I'll go past, I'll get him ahead, and I'll lay down some stop sticks.
And if you can, let's give you a time. If not, there's another emergency turnaround.
The driver suddenly swerves, forcing toward a patrol unit, attempting to ram it. Officers brake and dodge as the truck cuts across lanes at high speed. still pushing forward without stopping.
That's affirmative. Mile marker 10 should work. I'm past it. Oh, he just cut me off. He just tried ramming me.
89, 90 miles an hour, still light traffic. Vehicle is in the number 2, southbound. Just tried ramming 820 off into the center median. Tiger 94, there is no temple. You funneled by Arizona.
Henry 4063, I'm coming around the Lakeway. I'll start heading that way right now from marker 30.
Henry 3094 also have somebody get towards the 95 in case he goes that route towards California, please.
Spike strips deploy ahead. Tires blow out, but the truck keeps going on bare rims, sparks flying across the pavement. The vehicle loses control, veers off the road, and crashes deep into the desert terrain.
Successful on the spike strips. Vehicle continuing southbound with the number 1. Henry 4153 to 3094. Do we have authorization to enter Arizona?
Yes, you have authorization to enter Arizona.
He just lost the tread on the front right tire. He's on the rim now. He's swerving rapidly. He's winding off the road right. One start at 52. He's way off the road. 1050. Henry, mile marker 7. Mile marker 7.
Officers quickly surround the truck, issuing loud commands. The suspect smashes a window, trying to escape, but is immediately taken down.
There it is. He's punching out the window. Hey, you better let us see your hands when you're coming out, guy. Hey, sir, let us see your hands, okay? Sir, there's no way for you to go, man. You're going to be in the middle of the desert. We got a helicopter coming and everything. You're not getting away.
Just stop. Don't move.
Face away from us.
You're gonna get tased. Get on
It's
the
not
ground.
going to feel good.
Get on the ground. You're gonna get tased.
Got somebody else in the car.
Yep, right here, right here. Put your hands on top of your head.
You okay?
Yep.
All right, you got him?
You got her.
Yeah, I got her.
Here, you got me?
Yep. I got it.
Put your hands on your head.
All right, you just told me to chill out, and you're not being chill. You just told me to chill out.
Yeah, I got him upset. Thank you.
Anybody else in there? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Up. There you go. Turn around. Walk up the hill.
The driver, Michael, 39, is arrested and faces multiple serious charges, including kidnapping, assault, and fleeing while endangering others.
Vehicle still moving.
Clear, Valen just passed me in the car.
On the 10th of May, 2024, a deputy in Isabella County spots a woman entering a Ford Edge reported stolen. When ordered to stop, she refuses and accelerates away, fleeing the scene and immediately turning the situation into a high-speed pursuit.
220 Central Avenue.
Please. Out. Please. Out. Out.
Please.
We are headed westbound on Blanchard Road, heading through the intersection.
The vehicle pushes westbound at speeds reaching 120. Units lock in behind her as she maintains high speed through multiple intersections, showing no signs of slowing down.
Still heading northbound, coming up whatever chipper place this is.
The pursuit rapidly becomes extremely dangerous as the suspect drives the stolen police vehicle at high speed across snow-covered roads. In these conditions, even the smallest mistake...
Clear, eastbound on Pickard, Old Water, 3736. Are you able to log into your AVL? Eastbound Pickard, passing Littlefield.
Town, get ready. We'll go to the city.
You go up to the west end of the city. Whatever they do. We'll go all in 10-10s, please. Or would they like to set up a west end of Pickard before they get into the city with spikes if you get them. There now.
After the crash, the suspect abandons the vehicle and runs into a nearby wooded area, but officers quickly track him down and subdue him using a taser. The suspects are later identified.
53 Central through Wynn Road. I believe we got sticks on her. 53 Central. We are passing Bandit car. She's starting to slow down, I believe. Tires are coming up. She's bailing. Gonna be bailing. Vehicle's still moving.
Clear, bailing, just past Bandit car.
She's down. Send me an ambulance. Hands! Hands! Watch him, watch him, watch him. Watch him.
236, go ahead.
Got gun.
Still moving.
Negative, we got her at gunpoint. We're handcuffing her right now.
3702, go ahead.
Good job on this place. Here, sit up.
Tried to call.
You got your first aid?
I do.
A New Mexico State police officer pulls over to assist a man with a flat tire. The interaction appears completely routine, just another moment of helping someone on the roadside. There's no sign of danger, no tension, but within seconds, what seemed like a harmless situation turns into the